made in India Renault Triber has achieved an impressive 4-star rating for adult occupant protection in a crash test conducted by Global NCAP. The Triber is the first car crash tested in 2021 by Global NCAP. The car also scored 3 stars for child occupant protection in the rear. Given the subcompact MPV's positioning as an affordable mass market product, these scores are significant. It is also a massive step up for Renault India, as previous tests for the Kwid, Duster and Logi had seen poor results. Conforming to the Global NCAP test protocol, the Triber was crashed at a speed of 64 km per hour in a frontal offset impact test. Analysis of the test data shows that the Triber offered good protection to the driver and passengers' head and neck. While there was enough protection for the passengers' chest and knees, the driver's side crash test dummy showed only marginal protection for both. The Triber's body shell, though, has received an unstable rating as it was not capable of withstanding further loads. The car's footwell area was rated as stable, and that's an area many Indian-made cars have struggled with in recent crash tests. The Triber has also scored a good 3-star rating for child occupant protection. Global NCAP tests always highlight the different levels of protection any car may offer to passengers on the rear seats. This is why tests are carried out using child seats recommended by the car manufacturer in question. The child occupant protection score and overall rear seat safety of the Triber could have been stronger had the car carried ISOFIX child seat anchors and a 3-point seat belt for the middle passenger in the second row as standard equipment. In fact, neither are available even in the top spec RXZ trim. What is standard, though, is what is required by law, like the dual front airbags, ABS or anti-lock braking, rear parking sensor and front seat belt reminder. In addition, the Triber's higher variants do have speed sensing door locks, impact sensing unlocking and even side airbags up front. Global NCAP crash tests always use the base version offered in the market as a test of any model's basic safety level. The Triber uses the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance's CMFA Plus platform. This is a derivative of the small entry platform that spawns the Renault Kwid and Datsun Redigo, but has now been strengthened. The CMFA Plus platform also now houses the recently launched Renault Kiger and Nissan Magnite subcompact SUVs. Given the similarities in underpinnings, components and drivetrains, we hope that those two cars will also have positive safety ratings. Of course, we can only speculate until they too undergo a similar test, but the Triber's result bodes well for future mass market models from the Alliance in India.